Hi, my name is Dima, and in today's mini exam video, we'll be going over SpongeBob's developmental network. Before we begin, let's talk about what developmental networks are. They're pathways indicating how genes interact with each other to produce a phenotype. In a pathway, we'll see activators and repressors. Activators induce or promote transcription of mRNA. We can think of these as a green light, and they're indicated as arrows. Next, we have repressors, and they inhibit and prevent transcription of mRNA. We can think of these as blockers or dead ends, and they're represented as T bars. The characters for our network today are SpongeBob, Squidward, Plankton, and Mr. Krabs. We're going to be looking at Plankton trying to steal the secret formula from Mr. Krabs since his restaurant, the Chum Bucket, isn't doing as well as Mr. Krabs, the Krusty Krab. SpongeBob wants to stop Squidward from exposing the secret formula location. Squidward knows where the secret formula is and wants to expose it to Plankton. Plankton wants to steal the secret formula because he wants his restaurant to be as good as Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs wants to keep the secret formula to himself because he loves money and he doesn't want to lose business. Over here, we can see the regulatory network in black and the show in yellow. SpongeBob encodes for a gene product that represses the Squidward gene, meaning that SpongeBob will stop Squidward from exposing where the secret formula is hidden. Next, we have the Squidward gene encodes for an activator protein that promotes transcription of a Plankton gene, meaning that Squidward tells Plankton where the secret formula is hidden. Next, we have the Plankton gene encodes for a repressor protein that blocks the transcription of Mr. Krabs' gene, meaning that Plankton blocks Mr. Krabs and steals the secret formula. And finally, we have this SpongeBob gene isn't promoted since the Squidward gene is repressed. The Mr. Krabs gene is not blocked and gets transcribed, meaning since SpongeBob represses Squidward from spreading the secret formula location, Plankton doesn't find out where it is and can't steal from Mr. Krabs. Now let's look at the wild type. SpongeBob inhibits or stops Squidward from exposing where the secret formula is hidden. Squidward is inhibited or stopped and can't tell Plankton where the secret formula is hidden. Plankton can't stop Mr. Krabs to steal the secret formula. So the phenotype for the wild type is that the secret formula is safe with Mr. Krabs because Plankton didn't inhibit Mr. Krabs, and we can say that the SpongeBob gene isn't promoted since the Squidward gene is repressed. The Mr. Krabs gene is not blocked and gets transcribed. Next, we have the single mutation. Since SpongeBob isn't mutated, he doesn't produce the normal gene product. He can't stop Squidward from exposing the secret formula location. Squidward tells Plankton where it's hidden. Plankton blocks Mr. Krabs and is able to steal the secret formula. The phenotype of a single mutation where SpongeBob isn't mutated is that Squidward tells Plankton where the secret formula is. Plankton blocks Mr. Krabs and steals it. Or you can say that the Squidward gene encodes as an activator protein that promotes transcription of the Plankton gene. The Plankton gene encodes for the repressor protein that blocks the transcription of Mr. Krabs' gene. Now let's look at the double mutation. Since SpongeBob and Squidward are mutated here, SpongeBob can't stop Squidward, and that doesn't matter since Squidward is a mutant as well. Squidward can't promote or tell Plankton where the secret recipe is, therefore Plankton can't block Mr. Krabs to steal the secret formula since he doesn't know where it is. The phenotype for a double mutant is that Squidward can't tell Plankton where the secret formula is, and it's safe to say that it's with Mr. Krabs. Here are all the references for this video. Thank you for watching.